Hey guys, if you have mistakenly blocked your Dropbox account, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. Also be noted, this process is same for your mobile device as well as it will work if you are using a PC. So if you are using a PC or phone, open your browser. At the top search bar type in Dropbox blocked account form. As you do that, you will see the website Dropbox Help Center that says why has my Dropbox account disabled. Simply open that link. Now as you do that, it will look to you like a community forum, but what you have to do is scroll below and select on this form. This is a link which will direct you to a page like this. Now in here, select submit a request. Now you have to type in the email address that is associated with your Dropbox account. Make sure that you type in correctly. And once you do that, simply type in your issue. If you have mistakenly blocked it, mention that. If somebody blocked you or by some reasons it has been blocked, you have to mention that as well. Once done, select send, and within 2 to 3 business days, you will receive an email to the same email address that you have mentioned here. And simply follow the on-screen prompt as you receive the email, and that is how you can fix your problem.